big guy. Watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting on for sure. And if you know
what's up? Pray you guys are doing well. Pray everybody is well in the place. I think today we're gonna do some cooking desserts, but I think I can pull this off. I'm considering. So I got all these ingredients here. All these ingredients. We might ask you guys when I did my Kroger haul, if I had that and I had this, what would happen? All right, guys, we're gonna do a pineapple upside down cake. Very easy though. We're gonna use just a yellow cake, and we got our pineapples. We're gonna add blueberries, and we're gonna add raspberries. All right, so let's go ahead and get the cake batter mixed up. So it's looking for a cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. So I got my 3 eggs. I got my half a cup of vegetable oil. But for water, I'm gonna use the water here, so I don't need some cups. I'm gonna use pineapple water from the actual can here for the water, because it's gonna be a pineapple upside down cake. So let's go ahead and get these guys started. Get the box open. Get the cake mix out of it. Get the box out the way. Right. I don't know why I be rushing sometime in the kitchen when I don't need to. I just take my time and do it right. No, I'm just kidding. All right, got the cake mix in there. Let's call it for 3 eggs. So that's 1. That's 2. Cake mix smells so good, man. That's 3. And it's calling for a cup of water. Actually, it's calling for a half a cup of oil. So let's go ahead and get the oil in here. Oil's done. It is asking for a cup of water. So we're gonna use the water from the pineapple. Make sure it's a cup. So I don't waste it. Almost perfect, yeah. Perfect cup, look at that. So what I'm gonna do with this is, I'm always leery about liquid mixing. I'm gonna put a half a cup in, well, a little over a half a cup in first, and then we're gonna mix it. Then we're gonna mix it. All right, so let's get the mixing. Here we are, it's all beat up. It's good to go. And the batter tastes real good too. So had to taste it. So let's move on to the next step. Let's go ahead and get our pan here buttered. Put some butter in the bottom of this pan. Okay. And with a clean hand, I mean an extremely clean hand, that all up in there. Sides. Other sides. Okay. All the sides going. Alright. Hey guys, got the sides going. I got it all along the sides here. Going old school, so I'm just gonna sprinkle the sugar in the bottom of the pan. Brown sugar. Okay. Should be nice and sugary. Yes, sir. Nice and sugary. All right, I'm going to get this done. Guys, got it all nice and even. I'm just gonna pour the rest of the butter all up in there. I could have mixed this before I put this in here, but hey, it's not the way I saw it done. All right. So the bottom is about ready. Let's go ahead and add our beautiful pineapples. It's the hardest part, is getting a dish that the pineapples will fit in here perfectly, but sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm gonna move them right to the side. Okay. As close as possible. Okay. Got some more over here to use. I think I'm just gonna cut one or two and just fill in the sides here. I just spread them out because it's something else I'm gonna do at the end. So let's go ahead and get the battery in, the cake battery in. Yes, sir. Got it all in here. The batter is good. Oh my goodness. I don't normally do that, but hey. In the oven. It's already preheated. I'm gonna keep a little pan right there, so if anything drops, it falls into that pan. That's why the oven's still so clean. 25, 30 minutes. Give it a check. So I'm gonna check it in probably about 15 to make sure, because sometimes the ovens cook differently. Depends on your oven, so don't be afraid to check it. So, but don't open the door too long because it drops the heat. You know, and don't bump. Remember back in the day, you used to tell you, don't bump because you don't make my cake fall. Y'all better not be bumping. Got it out the oven. It was more closer to 30 minutes. To me, it looks a little dark, but it could be the lighting in here. Yeah, so that doesn't matter. The other side is what really matters. So we're gonna give this guy about 15 minutes to cool off, and we're gonna flip it. Here's the tricky time now. Let's go ahead and get this guy flipped over and see if it stays intact, which I have faith it does. Look, it's not stuck to the side, so it should be fine. Should be fine. Perfecto. I know a lot of times people put like cherries on the inside of it, but I left it open on purpose because I wanted to do this. Raspberries. Look at that. The reason I didn't cook it with the raspberries because the raspberries are so soft. They would have melted and created a mess. So, blueberries here and there. And of course, you can always add more if you like. I think that's a good start. I really do. So for each slice, you know, you'll have some fruit. And you can always add it to the bowl with whipped cream and, you know, other things as well too. You see, we have it. It's landed. So I'm gonna give you just a few more minutes for it to cool off a little bit more. I think it's good though. And we taste it and cut it. Nice simple cut. Okay. Come here and cut. Perfecto. Look at that, guys. Perfecto. Take it and add your blueberries back if you want. If you want, you don't have to. Blueberry or two back. Yeah. Family. Excuse my paper plate, but this is what it is around here. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and taste this guy. Let's go ahead and taste. Just taste in. Broke away with no problem. Just check the moistness. Still very moist. Very moist. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Oh my goodness. Oh yes. I'm gonna get into it now. See it? There's this pineapple on here. This is good. It's really good. The raspberry. That raspberry brings a tanginess to it. Actually, I'm glad I waited to put them on fresh afterwards. That way I can taste the actual tanginess of the raspberry because they were ripe. Let me taste the blueberry. Blueberry on the back of it. It's a different twist. It's good. This is really good. It came out better than I thought. This is my first time making one, so I figured milk back up, guys. Another one in the books. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. The cake was a bit more thicker than I thought it would be, so to me that's good. Just use a simple yellow cake mix. Just something, and you saw how fast it was. There's butter and brown sugar layered on the bottom of the pan, pineapples, and you pour the cake batter on top. But instead of water for the cake batter, you use pineapple juice. So very easy, very quick. The length of it is as much time it takes to stir it up and mix it up and to bake it. So very easy. You can also, so I think the cake is right there. It's not dry, I mean, it tastes good, but you could also like use some of your leftover pineapples and put on your plate with a pineapple and then put the cake on top of that pineapple, and then you have pineapple on both sides. Should be pretty good. Take it back to the back, guy. Pray you enjoyed that video. I have a stand, so I've been trying to manipulate this stand. Just trying to upgrade this channel. Just get it ready for growth, basically, is what I'm saying. I got this little thing here. I've had it for a while, but it was very awkward to use. But I think I got a combo of some things I could use to make sure I get some better angles. And I also got this, let me show you, this huge tripod. So you guys, more stuff coming. As you see, we're consistent every day. We post it every day around here. If I miss a day, I'll be back the next day, I promise. But the grind don't stop. Again, I pray you guys are doing well. I challenge you to go do things that you would normally do, of course, to yield the results that you haven't got before. So that's what we're doing around here. So much love, you guys. I pray you guys are well, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.